Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners. I am Alex. Welcome to Day 4.
Day 4. We are almost at the end of our first week. If you are listening today, you are doing an amazing job.
Yes, you are. You are building a very strong English habit. Do not stop now.
How are you today, Alex? You look a little bit tired.
I am a little tired today. Is it that obvious? I stayed up late last night watching a very funny movie.
Oh, Alex, you need to sleep more. I woke up at 6 a.m. today. I did my morning exercise before breakfast, and I feel fantastic.
I know. I have a big cup of coffee, so I will be okay.
Good. Well, your movie last night is actually a great example for our topic today.
Oh, what is our topic for Day 4?
Today, we are going to talk about hobbies and free time.
This is my favorite topic. We work, we study, but we also need to have fun.
Exactly. When you make a new friend, they want to know what you like to do. They usually ask, "What do you do in your free time?"
Or they ask, what are your hobbies?
A hobby is something you do for fun, not for money or work. So, Alex, what are your hobbies?
Well, like I said, I really like watching movies. Comedy movies are my favorite because I love to laugh.
Watching movies is a great hobby. What else do you like to do?
I like playing video games online with my friends. It is very fun. But I also like to go outside. I play soccer in the park on weekends.
Wow! So you play video games inside and you play soccer outside. You are very active.
I try to be. I also like walking my dog, Max. What about you, Emma? What do you do in your free time?
My hobbies are very quiet. Since I work on a computer all day for my graphic design job, I don't like looking at screens in my free time.
That makes a lot of sense. I've been trying to cut down on my screen time too.
Yeah, in my free time, I enjoy painting. I love painting flowers and trees because it makes me feel calm and relaxed.
Aw, I think painting is such a beautiful hobby. I wish I had the patience for it. Are you a good painter?
I think I am okay. I just do it for fun. I also really love reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read adventure books and mystery books. I usually sit on my cozy sofa with my cat, Luna, and read for hours.
That sounds very relaxing. You know, Emma, our hobbies show our personalities.
Yeah, it's true. But it is good that we are different. That is what makes chatting fun.
Yes, it is. So, listeners, to answer the question, you can say, I like to, or my favorite hobby is.
For example, I like to cook, or I like to play the guitar.
My favorite hobby is taking photographs. Or my favorite hobby is running.
There are so many hobbies in the world. You can also say, I love listening to music, or I love traveling.
Let's put our conversation into a real-life situation for our listeners. Imagine we're two friends having coffee together.
Okay, let's practice. Hey, Alex, you are always so busy with teaching. What do you do in your free time?
I love playing soccer with my friends, and I really like watching funny movies. What about you, Emma? What are your hobbies?
I like quiet hobbies. My favorite hobby is painting, and I love reading books.
That sounds very relaxing. We should go to the park this weekend. You can paint, and I can play soccer.
That is a great idea.
See? Talking about your hobbies is easy and fun. It is the best way to make a connection with someone new.
Yes, when you find someone who has the same hobby as you instantly become friends.
Now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to teach you 2 great words from our chat today.
The first word is free time. F-R-E-E-T-I-M-E. Free time.
Free time is the time when you are not working and you are not at school. It is the time for you to relax.
For example, you can say, in my free time, I like to sleep. Or, I don't have much free time because I study a lot.
The second word is relaxing. R-E-L-A-X-I-N-G. Relaxing.
Relaxing means something makes you feel calm, happy, and not stressed.
Emma says that reading a book is relaxing. For me, taking a hot shower is relaxing.
We hope listening to our podcast is relaxing for you too.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Do not skip this part. This is how you learn to speak well.
Yes, we will say a simple sentence about hobbies and free time. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must repeat the sentence out loud. Speak clearly and confidently. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. What do you do in your free time?
Sentence number 2. What are your hobbies?
Sentence number 3. I like to read books.
Sentence number 4. My favorite hobby is playing soccer.
Sentence number 5. I love listening to music.
Sentence number 6. Painting is very relaxing for me.
Fantastic job! You are sounding more and more like a native English speaker.
You really are. Keep practicing those sentences until they feel completely natural.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 4.
We want to know what you do for fun. We love reading your comments and learning about you.
The question is, what are your hobbies? What do you do in your free time?
Go to the comment section right now and practice your writing. Tell us what you like to do.
You can write, in my free time, I like to, or my favorite hobby is.
Maybe you like cooking, or sleeping, or watching YouTube videos. Tell us everything.
And don't forget to type day 4 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, we are tracking your streak. Tomorrow is day 5, the last day of our first week.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 4 of the 30-day English Confidence Challenge. We are so proud of your hard work.
If you liked today's episode, please subscribe to Daily English Chats.
And please click the like button. Share this video with anyone who needs a relaxing way to learn English.
We will be back tomorrow for day 5. Have a wonderful day, and make sure you do something fun in your free time.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone.